With the 24H2 update of Windows 11, there's new functionality related to Windows Explorer. Prior to this release, if you right-clicked on the file, you'd only see these little icons and didn't have the tags or the labels below the icons. So now with this update, you can right-click on something, press copy, and then right-click again, and then select paste, but it's more obvious as to the function for copying and pasting those files or folders. Same thing also with files. So if you right-click on this, notice you have the options which are more meaningful at the very top here with the labels below them. And then if you want to paste it, in this case it's larger, and in the past it used to be a tiny icon without the label below it. So you'd have to know what it was. Now, if you held the mouse on it, it will tell you what that icon stands for and also what the shortcut for it is.